Hey, we're doing a Valentine's Day actual look on Valentine's Day. So I uploaded my video of my simple makeup look, and today is going to be a little bit more, I guess, intrigued, and I'm going to try to show that on camera. So starting off with the Urban Decay primer, potion primer, just in the original one, and I'm going to do the same to the other side. Alright, I'm going to start with my lips. I know that's a really weird place to start, but I'm just gonna do it. So this is the LA Colors lip liner pencil in the shade Sienna, I guess is how you pronounce that. But it's just this really pretty color. And I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm going to sharpen it with the Essence pencil sharpener, which has been the best. Not only is it really cute and adorable, but it has been the best pencil sharpener for like lip pencils and stuff, and eyeliners and all that. So, okay, speaking of pencil sharpener, I know this is unrelated, but this is also a really good pencil sharpener for actual pencils at the Dollar Tree. Anyways, okay, so we're going to overline our lips like always because that's my thing. I'm gonna try to kind of show you the process, but looking into the mirror and then just going I'm gonna just show you the process and not talk. I can't do this. Okay, so first I start by like lip lining my actual lips, and then I try to keep it sharp the whole time just to kind of get like the better border, but and then I just start slowly like shaping over the lips. And then I fill in the sides. Okay, it's not perfect, but for me, the biggest thing is to, lost the cap. But anyways, for me, the biggest thing is to like, fill in the sides, keep the pencil sharp the whole time, and then just slowly work up to the overlining. And I don't try to overline it so much, but then I just take a liquid lipstick, which this is just by Q-Best. It's on Amazon. They're really affordable, and you get a lot of them in there. I just go in the middle, do this, and then tap the rest of it everywhere. For some reason, if you tap it out, it makes it look more natural, and it also doesn't get like with liquid lipsticks, they sometimes will get like too dry or tacky, and I've figured out that this makes it where it doesn't dry up so bad and get like tacky or cracky or anything. And that's just with every liquid lipsticks. These have been the best so far that I've tried, but I'm just saying in general, I've noticed that it gives a softer feeling on your lips where it's not as harsh. But anyway, guys, that is going to be the lips, and then we're going to move to the eyes. Okay, I'm also kind of rethinking my thought process right here because I just pulled this out of my drawer, which is the Anastasia, I think it's American Doll. I don't even know if you can see that, but anyways, okay, so it's just the Anastasia American Doll red lipstick, and I'm like, ooh, that's really pretty. I might take that instead. But okay, we're taking the Norvina palette. It is the Pro palette number 1 with a huge mirror. Oh my god, knocking myself out. But anyways, okay, so we go with D3, which is the red color, and I'm going to pick this up everywhere, and then just tilt the mirror back, and then go in the crease. And I'm thinking about doing like a wild cut crease, so I'm not going to bring this all the way down like I normally do. So I'm just going to see where I end up with all this. And I might wind up doing the lips red, even though I like spent all that time doing the lip liner and all that, I might do the lips red. Alright, I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to take the NYX Bear With Me concealer, and then this is just the shade Light, and then I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. Okay, and then take the Anastasia, oh it cracked. Anyways, take the Anastasia 18 flat brush, brush number 18 is what I was trying to say, but, and then just put the concealer on the brush. Okay, so I'm going to look in the mirror, and then tap where my crease kind of does that. Boom. Okay. Same palette, but we're going to take B3, and we're actually going to go with a different palette in a minute, and then put some glitter on top. But okay, we're going to take the same brush, I already wiped it off, and then we're just going to lay it down as close to the line as you can get. Alright, I'm going to do my finger now since I got pretty much where I needed it to be. Okay, this is going to be really weird, but I kind of want to take that purple on the outside, and it's just D2, so it may not turn out all that great, but I just wanted to take the purple since it's Valentine's, and you know, all these different colors are kind of Valentine's-y, so I'm just like, you know what, sometimes you just gotta go for it and just see what kind of mess you can make. So most of the time my crazy looks like this come out decent, and that's not bragging, that's just, I used to be so afraid of doing stuff like this where I was like, oh, it's not gonna be pretty, but then I was like, honestly, sometimes art's not pretty, but sometimes it's just literally art, and you won't know if it looks good unless you do it. So word of the day, or inspiration for the day, you won't know until you try, and you just have to go for it. And if it doesn't turn out the best, at least you'll know in the future that that's not something you should do again. But at least you will have an experiment or experience of stuff like this, and if you record it, then you know how to do it again. So a lot of times I would do something and think it was pretty, and then I didn't record it because I didn't think it would turn out good, and then I didn't really know how to redo it because I wasn't really paying attention the first time. So therefore, sometimes you just have to record it, do it, get it out of the way, and just go for it. So, and that's actually kind of cool. It kind of like blends in with the other color, so I know the red's like for sure like bright and crazy and bold and all that, but honestly, it's pretty. I like it. It's coming out decent. I think I'm gonna do something really crazy and just top it off with the blue, like the bottom with the blue and purple. So this blue is D4, so we took that purple color, but now we're going to take the blue color, and I know the blue is not necessarily Valentine's, but I don't know, I'm kind of feeling this purple with a blue, so call me a clown and that is fine, but I just really like colors. I get called that pretty much when I was in high school, because I would always like wear blue eyeshadow or purple eyeshadow, and they would always be like, red hair does not go with colors and all that. You have to be natural and wear natural colors. And I'm just like, but why? Like, that's not my life. That's not how I do things. I like colors, so I was not meant to be normal or quiet. So I mean, actually technically I was quiet growing up, so it's kind of funny that my makeup was always bold, but I was a quiet person when it came to school time. But I don't know, I like to talk a lot, so I'm very much not quiet. Okay, and then we're just gonna take A2, which is a really pretty bright purple color. And this look is for sure crazy, but I don't care. It's just me, it's just pretty, it's random and bold. So that is all me in one package. And I'm now thinking definitely for sure not changing the lip color because it needs to be the eyes that are just a complete crazy mess of, oh my god, I just like touched my nose right there. But it needs to be just my eyes that are like the crazy bold wildness. Alright, A5 is just a really pretty pink color, and I'm just gonna dab that like right in the middle of all that. Just because why not? Okay, so the mascara I'm using is just the Maybelline Sky Eye. It's actually been, even though it's been like the most hyped up mascara, for me it has actually been one of the best mascaras I have tried in a very long time. I used to use the Better Than Sex mascara, which is by Too Faced, and it's still a really good mascara. But I think this one just, there's something about the tip that can do like this and just bend, and it like really gets into like all of your lashes and everything, and it has actually been like really good for mine. I've had a lot of good lash lifting experience with it, as well as it makes my lashes actually appear, because before with some of the mascaras I would use, they gave a lot of like, I guess like blackness and volume and everything, but they never like really made it look like I had lashes. I don't know, like some of them are really good. Like there's one by Estee Lauder, I can't remember what the name of it is, but it's really good. And then the Too Faced was really good for my lashes, but this is affordable, so I can't always buy the other ones that I like, but this one's really affordable and does pretty much just as good as those, so. Crazy. I used some of these, which I was going to use more, but I didn't realize how big they were. I mean, I should have, but anyways. But yeah, this is the finished look, and it is really wild but really pretty, and it's just me because I love all the crazy colors, which I'm still debating on the lipstick. I want to, because it's like, oh, red and pretty, but I'm at the same time I'm like, also like, I really like this color and these combinations, so I don't know, I may leave it, and I might just add later the red and then like put it in a photo and then put it in here for y'all, so just so you can know what the red would look like on me with this look. But anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful day and stay naughty and stay having a good day and being non-sick, hopefully. But alright, y'all like these types of looks and craziness and wildness and all that, please follow, like, subscribe, whatever platform it requires you to do, please do it, so that way I can know that you like these types of videos from me and everything. And also leave a video, or leave your opinions and like what you want me to do and see me create and make and all that. So okay, bye y'all. Okay, so I decided to do red. I think it actually pulls the look all together, even though I still like the orange slash whatever neutral-ish color, but red is not that bad. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all.